Hi everyone, welcome to my video. Today I'm going to show you how to install and use Webmin, a very nice software that allows us to manage our Linux server. We can make the updates, we can control and configure our services and take care of any administration task as required. But before we start, let me remind you, you can subscribe to my channel and press the bell button to get notifications about all the videos I'll be publishing. Now let's do it. Okay, let me start by showing you Webmin Webpage. We'll go straight to the downloads subpage so you can check the complete procedure about how to download and install. Here, as you can see here below, you have the installing on Debian. And we also know that Ubuntu is a derivative from the base independent Debian distribution. So apt is also used. All the procedures can be copied and used as well. So let me put this window a little bit below. As you can see, I'll be copying this DEB link. But first, let me enter the /etc/apt folder where the sources.list file is located. This file contains all the links to the repositories on Ubuntu and also, of course, this new link we will be adding today. So by doing this, we will include the Webmin software repository in our main update system. This way, we have the advantage that every time a new version comes out, is released, we will have our system also updated. Okay, so this will be a better solution than downloading the current version and stay as it is without any automatic updates. Okay, after doing this, let me go to the root folder where I will download a key that is also necessary to make the encryption of the communication. So this is the link. Let me just correct here the O with the A. They were switched. And let's go. I will download this file. And after I have the file with me, I will add the key to my apt system. So apt-key add with the name of the file. And now let me install a special package that allows us to include HTTPS in this type of communication on apt. Now I am able to make all the rest of the procedure. I have updated my lists and now Webmin is also included, so I can install it right away. apt install Webmin, and the update already started. So after the process is finished, we will take care of the rest of the configuration. This is not very long, so we can take care of it. Let me add a new rule to our firewall, port 10,000 on TCP. Here you have the port already available. And after that, we are able to start testing this software. So what we need to do is to check here the IP address in my server, so I can use the browser in my host operating system, in this case my Mac OS. I have entered the link. I'm accepting the encryption key, so I can get access to the website. And here we have the main portal. I will use the root account to log in and enter for the first time. Let me press no. And this is Webmin main webpage, or what we call the dashboard. Here you can see the amount of CPU, RAM used, disk space, the kernel version, the processor, any notifications about new situations, events. Look here, these very nice graphics about the same type of information regarding your server. You have lots to explore using this software. The graphics are very nice. As you can see, I am visiting from this 192.168.52.2 IP address, the disk usage, and finally the network interfaces I have available. For those of you that have been watching my previous videos, you know that I have 3 interfaces working at the same time in this server. So let's see some stuff we can do between the portal, Webmin portal, and the server. I will reboot the machine now using my Webmin portal. I've pressed reboot, and as you can see, the machine rebooted instantly. Let's wait until the server boots again and is operational. Webmin is trying to connect, and here it is. Okay, it reaches the server again, so we are already with a connection with our server. I remember that we are using port 10,000 on HTTPS. So I have a new kernel installed in my server, and now let's explore the menus. As you can see, I have main configurations that we can do. I will create a new user, for example, and take care of the user as a restricted user. So I will configure the type of things it can do. So let me put my username, okay, and then let me check the Unix authentication, so I can use my own password, my name, and the rest of the configuration can stay as it is. Okay, let me show you just the details so you can be aware of what's available. And here you have lots of interactions you can activate or deactivate. Let me put software packages, for example, backup, Webmin servers index. Let me find some more stuff. Boot up and shut down the machine. Take care of disk and network file systems, for example, Apache, DHCP server. We have also available in this machine. Samba file sharing, for example. Let me browse a little bit more. Check bandwidth on the network interfaces. And for example here, partitions on local disk, so we can have that kind of information available. And access to the command shell and file manager, okay, and upload, download, okay, and remote connection using SSH. So this is a very small example of what you can configure to your users when they interact with Webmin. So I will log out and log in again with this new user I have just created. Username, password, sign in, and here we are. So one thing you will notice is that the amount of information is different because it is restricted to the amount of information we have configured, okay? And the menu, as you can see, is also restricted. The system menu also, and the servers, only the 3 that I have allowed for this user. Networking, I have activated only the bandwidth monitoring, and let me activate these by pressing and selecting the network card, and Webmin will start producing information for us at least 1 hour, so we can or we could have some graphics. Now the partitions, as you can see, the main partition, root file system with 4 GB. Let me log in here in the console with my user and increase here the window, okay. So as you can see, the very same information is available on the server, the 14 GB available on both sides, the web portal, Webmin, and the terminal, the console on the back. Okay, so let me go back to root user to browse around a little bit more. Let me show you here, for example, software packages. You can interact with any software package. You can make the server upgrades. Anything related to software package is available here. Okay, so you can schedule the updates. Let me put it weekly, save the configuration, so we can have it in an automatic mode. For example, the cron jobs already available and configured. You can interact, delete, disable, create new cron jobs and everything. The system logs here, you can browse around, also activate, deactivate, take care of the rotation of the logs, users and groups. Everything is available here. You can make detailed configurations. The servers, for example, from previous videos I have installed Apache web server, also DHCP server, that is available here with all the pools that we have configured. Here they are, the 3 pools. Okay, let me show you the first one to the first subnet and the first amount of IP addresses, 21 through 30. The first pool I have created with a class to match certain type of computers, and everything that is available and working you can interact with. Okay, just to show you a little bit more about services you have available. And this is my current DHCP lease that should be real time, right? If you have computers coming in and going out the configuration. Now the Samba, the public share and private share I have also created in previous videos, is also available here. You can manage Samba file sharing service. Another nice service we have seen before. And now the SSH. Let me make a very quick experiment with SSH remote connection. I will not connect, but I will change the configuration so you can see. So the default port is configured, port 22. Let me change to a custom port. For example, 2222. I have applied the configuration. Now in the console, let me show you that the port that is listening is already the new port, 2222. Okay. So if I show you the configuration file on SSH service, you will see that this is the new port that is now configured. Let me show you. We need to scroll down on the file, and when we reach that part we will see it for sure. Okay, here we have it. Okay, the new configuration. Now let me change again, ending on 3, apply changes. I will exit the file and open the file again, scroll down, and as you can see, the new configuration already available. So as you can see, the Webmin is interacting directly with the system files, configuration files. Okay, it takes care of everything for you in a very nice, comfortable way. That is by using a web portal. So now in tools you see we have lots of options. Let's play a little bit with the file manager. For example, I will enter home, RS Media's home folder. Here let me create something. You can use here the menus, create new file. Let me call it test file txt. So inside the file, let me write something for you. Hi there, Okay, let me save it. And now going back to the console again, let me show you the file contents, and here we have it. The file that I have created using my web portal is also showing on the console. Now let me show you how to execute, quickly execute some commands. Here, execute, you can press enter directly. When you enter any command, you will see the results immediately in your browser. I have made some, let me put another one. For example, one I don't have, unknown, and another one that we cannot use here because we don't have the variables available, but ps command we have available, and we have also the output. Okay, so it's very nice to have this tool to interact by making quick commands remotely. Now the firewall, you have access to IP tables. We have access also to the network interfaces, so you can configure, stop, start, etc. Other network tools. The disk partitions, here they are. You can take care of that also. And now let me go back to Apache to show you how to put it as a favorite. And when you press the favorite menu, you will see that it is available. So for quick menus is nice to make your own favorites like this. Very useful. Okay, there is another software called Cockpit that you can use for the same. Let me now open and show you the console, complete console here available, like if you were using the main console. I am interacting as a root, as you can see, making some comments for you and exiting the console, going back to the web portal. Okay, this is Webmin. Very nice tool to manage your Linux server using a web page. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell button to get notifications about all the videos I'll be publishing. Thank you very much, guys, once again. Hope to see you on my next video. Bye bye. Okay, and this is it. I hope you have enjoyed this very nice software you can use to manage your Linux server. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell button to get notifications about all the videos I'll be publishing. Thank you guys once again. See you on my next video. Bye bye.